taking another salesperson with you on a sales call is always a gamble. I'm Scott Sylvan. I'm coming to you live from Las Vegas, Nevada on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about sales ride-alongs. Now, here's the thing. If you ever have another salesperson or entrepreneur with you and you are about to take them on a sales call or on a sales journey with you, there is one thing that you really need to do. You need to sit them down and you need to have the conversation and say, look, this is how it's going to be. I'm going to sell, your role in co-pilot, because what's going to happen at some point is that other person's going to think like, oh, it's my job to take over the sales conversation, or it's my job to side with the or the buyer who's going to make the purchase. And I have seen this happen a lot where salespeople will go out, they're doing their job, they're fantastic at what they do, and they didn't tell the other person that was riding with them what the rules were. So if this happens to you, it's your fault, it's your risk for taking a gamble and not having the conversation with the person who's working with you to say, look, you know what, well, you're with me, that means you shh, no talking. That's not a conversation from you, that's not anything that you can do, it's my call. And so I see this question that comes up occasionally, hey, I had a sales guy ride with me and he blew up my deal, what do I need to know? Realistically, that's your fault, okay? So there are times where just through having a conversation, somebody that you thought was your friend is not really your friend. They shouldn't be an associate. They shouldn't be rolling out with you. They shouldn't be on the call, right? This is like first and foremost, you bring somebody with you, have this conversation, what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. So there you go. You got one thing to do from here. The only thing you got to do is hit the subscribe button, just like right there. Hit subscribe and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.